Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss tenses. Tenses are of three types: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Today we will discuss the present tense. It is also called present indefinite tense. This tense is used, number one, to express habitual actions, habits, or customs. For example, my shop opens at 9 o'clock. Second, to talk about a general or universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. Third is to indicate a future event which is a part of a plan or arrangement. For example, the school reopens next week. Number 4, exclamatory sentence that begins with here or there. For example, here you go. Affirmative sentence. Rule is subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. For example, he writes a letter. Here, he is singular subject, so we have used s with the verb first form. So it is he writes. So example number 2 is we write a letter. Here we is plural subject, so we have not added s or es with the verb write. Note: first and second person and plural subjects we use verb first form. With third person or singular subject we use verb first form and s or es. Negative sentence. Rule for negative sentence is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb first form plus object. For example, he does not write a letter. Here he is singular subject, so we have used does with it. Second example is we do not write a letter. Here we is plural subject, so we have used do with it. Note: do is used with I, we, they, you and plural subjects. Does is used with he, she, it and singular subjects. Interrogative sentence. Rule is do or does plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. For example, does he write a letter? Question mark. Do we write a letter? Question mark. Now, present continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action in progress and the continuity of the action. Secondly, an action that is not happening at the time of speaking but is in progress. Thirdly, an action that just has been prearranged to take place in the near future. For example, she is playing tennis. They are studying in the SD Public School. I am going to attend a party tomorrow. Affirmative sentence. Rule is subject plus is or are or am plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example, he is writing a letter. We are playing football. Note: is used with he, she, it and singular subjects. Am is used with I. Are is used with they, we, you and plural subjects. Negative sentence. Rule is subject plus is or am plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Examples are he is not writing a letter. We are not playing football. Interrogative sentence. The rule is rm plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Examples are: is she writing a letter? Question mark. Are we playing football? Question mark. Now we come to present imperfect tense. This tense is used in the following ways. Number 1, to indicate completed activities in the immediate past. Second, to state past actions whose time is not given or is not definite. Third, we often use verbs like already and just with the present perfect tense. Examples are: he has just taken medicines. Second example is: the workers have gone on strike. Affirmative sentence. Rule is subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. For example, he has written a letter. They have written a letter. Note is: has is used with singular subjects and have is used with plural subjects. Negative sentence. Rule is subject plus has or have plus not plus third form of verb plus object. For example, he has not written a letter. They have not written a letter. Interrogative sentence. Rule is has have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object plus question mark. For example, has he written a letter? Question mark. Have they written a letter? Question mark. Now we come to present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used, number 1, to show that something started in the past and has continued up to the present and still continuing. Second, to talk about an action that started in the past and stopped recently. Examples are: he has been playing all day. Second example is: she has been studying for her exam since yesterday. Affirmative sentence. Rule is subject plus has have plus been plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Examples are: she has been working since morning. We have been writing a letter for 2 days. Note: since is used with fixed point of time. For is used for not fixed time. Negative sentence. Rule is subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Examples are: she has not been working since morning. Second example is: we have not been writing a letter for 2 days. Interrogative sentence. Rule is has have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time plus question mark. Examples: has she been working since morning? Have we been writing a letter for 2 days? In the first example, morning is fixed time, so since is used with morning. And in the second example, for 2 days, this is not a fixed time, so for is used in this sentence. I think this present tense is now clear to you all. Thank you.